Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use the performance feature on Bramework. So this feature is something that a lot of people don't know about, but it's very useful when you want to see what keywords your website is ranking for or what keywords your blog post is ranking for. This feature can be used if it's connected to SEMrush or not connected to SEMrush. So if it's connected to SEMrush, you'll get as much data that SEMrush has available for that keyword since Bramework is integrated automatically with SEMrush. And if you add your own account, you can get more information. If it's not connected, you'll still get information, but it'll only be limited to one page. So let me show you how to use this. For example, I added my website here. So this is one of my blogs that I've worked on in the past. I'm trying to make more time to work on it. But this is the handytaskguy.com. I'll put it in here and click on the search. Now it'll show me all the keywords that this website is ranking for. So let me actually open this up so you can actually see more. Now you can see all the keywords this site is ranking for. And it's ordered by the position. And of course you can see the difference. So meaning that, for example, this one, it was 11, now it's 16. It shows you the amount of volume or the estimated volume searches per month and also the total SERP here. Now, if I want to look at an individual post, so right now, like I'm looking at basically every keyword from the highest to the lowest. All right. Now, if I want to look at an individual post, for example, I would highlight this post, for example, here, and I would put it into here and click on search. Now you'll see that this is the same post, but what it's showing me is all the keywords that this particular post is ranking for. So I can look at that here. Now, if I want to get more in depth, I can use the chat feature to actually get more information on a particular blog post or on the competition and things like that. So let me give you a preview of that there. So let me open up. Now I'm gonna go to the chat, right? And I'll make sure that my smart navigator is on, and I'll make sure that I have a new chat. What I'll do, for example, is I can check to see if this blog post is SEO optimized. I can check out the competitors of my website. I can see what keywords are driving my website. So for example, let me do a competitive search. Actually, first, let me do this. Let me do to see how optimized is this blog post here. So I'll put in the blog post URL here and the keyword, I'll say it's what I can't type. All right, so now I'm gonna check the optimized or the optimization of this code I meant, sorry. So let me go ahead and run that. All right, the AI returned an analysis on this particular blog post, and it also returned an overall SEO score for me here. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the competitors to the website. So I'll click on this prompt here and I'll add my website URL, for example, and I'll just remove the blog post information. So I'll click on send. All right. So now the AI returned the top 10 competitors to this website. It gives me the number of common keywords, organic keywords, and organic traffic, and it gives me some additional details here. So the next one I'll show you is what keywords are driving traffic to this website, right? So I'll put in that prompt and I'll put in my URL here. Let me remove the rest of the slug, and then I'll send that. All right. That information has been returned. So now it's showing me which keywords are driving traffic to the website and their amount of search volume and that particular blog post associated with that keyword and so on and so on. So you can take a look at this. If you have any questions, let us know. So I hope this information helped. Just make sure that your Smart Web Navigator is on when you're using these features. And of course, you can use all these other features like getting analysis on a particular keyword, get related keywords, writing a blog outline, and so on. So again, thanks for using Bramework. I hope you find these features useful in your blogging journey, and have a great day.